Hi there, Angel. Hi, it's been so long. I missed you so much. It's been like what? It's been 3 weeks now? Oh my god, it's been so. It's been so long, Angel. How have you been? I missed you. To be honest, it is my fault. It is my fault. I've been so busy with work and so busy with work. I've just been so busy with work and applying to university and just trying to get a grasp of reality. It's been hard. I've also been going to counseling/therapy. So now I just threaten people like my therapist will hear about this. I'm joking. I do miss you though. I do miss you a lot. And you're like I miss your smile. I miss your hugs. I miss your love. I miss all of you. All of you. You as a whole. I do miss you so much. How have you been? I have been missing you. I have been needing you in my life, honestly, for real. But how about you? How have you been? How are you holding up? Talk to me. Come here. Talk to me, baby. Come here. Can we cuddle? I do miss you. Come here. Come here, let's cuddle. There we go. Oh, baby. God, I missed you. Okay, what's wrong? Talk to me, Angel. I'm here. How have you been? Yeah. Yeah. Aw, baby. Yeah, I know. Of course, yeah. It could not have been easy, of course, Angel, I know. Of course it's stressful, baby, I know. Hey, it's okay, you can cry, it's okay, I'm here, it's okay, yeah, it's okay, shh. It's okay, it's okay, I'm here, it's okay, I'm here, shh. It's okay, you can cry, you can try, you can cry, it's okay, it's okay, I'm right here. It's all okay. It's okay. You can let it out. You can let it all out. I'm all ears for you. Yeah. Of course, I'm always here for you. What type of question is that? Hey, listen to me. You are amazing. You are my love. You are an angel. You're absolutely amazing, and I love you so much. I know it's hard. I know it's not easy. I know you're going through a lot It's okay. I'm right here. I'm right here, I promise. It's okay. It's okay. I'm right here. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. Of course you can cry, my love. Of course. It's okay. You can let it out. You can let it out. I promise you can let it out. You can be who you are. It's okay. I know how hard it is. Trust me, you don't have to explain that to me or to anybody. You don't have to explain anything. It's okay. Yeah, you don't have a thing you gotta explain to anybody. Of course. Of course you can just cry. You can sit in silence. We can do whatever you need. Yes, yes. Even if your makeup ruins my shirt, it's okay. Yes, I promise. Yes, I swear to you, it's okay. Yeah, of course it's okay. Listen, even if it ruins my shirt, I promise you, I'll buy as many shirts as you could possibly think, and you can ruin all of them. And I promise you that I'd be more than happy to buy more and more and more. I'll buy as many shirts as you want. As many shirts as you want. I'll buy them for you, and you can ruin all of them. Yes, I do mean all of them. Yep, as much as you want. So go ahead, let it all out. I promise. I won't go anywhere. I'm right here. You're safe. I know it's been such a long time. I know. So go ahead. Yeah, I'm right here. It's okay. Alright, baby. That's it, baby. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Alright, baby. Alright, baby. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Of course. Of course, baby, of course.
Yeah, it's okay. That's it, baby. How do you feel now? You feel silly? Well, you are my silly little angel. No, it's okay. We can all feel silly every once in a while. You're only a human being, and that's alright. You know? We can all feel all these different feelings. You are a human. You gotta take a moment for yourself to think of just like, I guess, this is a throwback, to think of flexibility, love, and trust. Oh, you. No, 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 no. Okay, fine. Only one time, okay? Stop, it's embarrassing. I haven't sung in front of you in a long time, okay? It's embarrassing. No, for you, okay. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Here comes a thought that might alarm you. What someone said and how it harmed you. Something you did that failed to be charming. Things that you said are suddenly sworn, and oh, you're losing sight, you're losing touch. All these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse you, that I might lose you. Take a moment to find yourself, to take a moment and ask yourself. Take a moment and find yourself. If this is how we fall apart. But it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Got nothing, got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to fear. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Here comes a thought that might alarm me. What someone said and how it harmed me. Something I did that failed to be charming. Things that you said are suddenly swarming, and oh, I'm losing sight, I'm losing touch. All these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse you, that I might lose me. Take a moment and remind yourself to take a moment and remind yourself. Take a moment and ask yourself if this is how we fall apart. But it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You got nothing, got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to fear. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. And it was just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought. And it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I got nothing you can watch, we could watch them go by. From here, from here, from here. Take a moment and yourself to take a minute and us. Take a moment and yourself. Flexibility, love, and rest. Stop, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. My voice isn't that good either. Of course. You're amazing. Yeah. You ever just You ever just sometimes I look at you and I think to myself, you know, I've got to be the luckiest man on planet Earth. To have you in my life, to live a life with you in it. I'm truly blessed. You're patient with me, you're loving, you're kind, you're sweet. You make me laugh. You make me so happy. And every time I think of you, I just know everything's gonna be okay. You know, every night before I sleep, I whisper. I whisper I love you each night as I fall asleep. I wonder if you hear them. They're my whispers, so probably not. But I sit on this table for one. Go till they tell me to leave. Why'd they tell me to follow my dreams when dreams are in my arms here? You're all I dream about. And you know, even though that you might feel like, oh, I'm burdening him when you vent to me, you are anything but a burden. I love everything about you. Your problems, your stories, the way that you think, the way that you talk. You know how Kendrick is like, I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk, I hate the way that you smell. I love all of it. I love the way that you talk. I love the way that you breathe. I love the way that you walk. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. And to have you in my life. And to have you in my life. I am beyond blessed. I'm beyond grateful. Everything I dreamed of is right in front of me. And you are it. For now until forever. I love you. And everything about you. Oh, are you sleepy? Hey, wake up! Wake up! Wakey, wakey! I just confessed my love to you. You can't do this. Come on. Well, I guess not confessed my love. You know what I meant. Finally got a moment with you and you're falling asleep already? What am I gonna do with you? You're lucky you're the love of my life. You truly are. I love you too, sweetheart. Yeah, you can rest. I'll still be here. And I'll still hold you. Even when you are slobbering and are ruining my shirt with every single second you get. Yes. I remember at some point I did text you, I was like, can you ruin my life? I love you so much. Rest well, angel. It's alright. Rest well.